Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to clear Instagram cache on iPhone. Now, if your app is slowing down or you want to just clear out all the cache memory, this is a great way to do it. So on the iPhone, you can come to settings and go ahead and do it from there. But the general idea is just to uninstall the application and reinstall it. That does clear out all the cache, but the problem with that is it also deletes a lot of your essential data. Now, how do you clear cache without having to do the complete uninstall of the application? It's quite simple. Just come to settings, go to general, and then go ahead and click on iPhone storage. Then you can scroll down and search for Instagram. Just click on Instagram, and this is where the magic happens. Just click on Offload application, click on Offload again, and once this is done, you will see that the size of the application has reduced dramatically. Now for my application, it is not that much because I've already offloaded the app before. But if you haven't done that for a while, the difference in the size of the application will be a lot, which means a lot of the cache memory has been cleared. So just click on reinstall application after you've offloaded it. Now this does take a lot of time depending on the size or how much you've used this. Now, once all of this is done, you can open up the application and you don't even have to sign in again. That's the advantage with offloading the application. Your essential data is still there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can easily clear your Instagram cache on the iPhone. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.